We've been talking about weather. You've been looking at the role of the temperature and pressure with clouds. One thing we haven't talked about, though, are seasons and time of the day. What role does, wait for it, sunlight have to play? I know, I'm so good. Well, if we look and imagine that this is the sun and this right here is the earth, we can kind of understand a little bit better the role of night and day and seasons. The first thing you have to realize is that the earth is not sitting straight up and down. This is the axis of the earth right here. Okay, so the earth is going to be rotating around the axis, but the axis is about 23 degrees off center. Okay, now because of this tilt, we have seasons, and I'm going to show it's going to make a lot of sense whenever you actually see this. Okay, so the earth, the reason that we have night and day is because of the earth rotating on its axis. Okay, so the earth is rotating, and right now the sun is shining on this side of the earth where you see Africa, and so it's going to be daytime here, and over here where we are in the United States, it's going to be nighttime, and then whenever the earth rotates to where North America is facing the sunlight, it is going to be daytime, and then on the other side of the earth in Europe, Africa, it is going to be nighttime. So this is the reason, because of the rotation of the earth, that we have night and day. Now, one of the things that we talk about when we look at our shadows is that it appears that the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Now again, that's not really what's happening, because the sun is not moving, the earth is moving. So if I turn over here to the United States, this is the east coast of the United States. And we're going to notice that the sun appears to rise on the east side and set on the west side. And the reason that that happens is because of the earth's rotation. So you can see where my finger is, and it appears that the sun is moving from east to west. Again, it's not the sun moving, it's us moving. So now let's take a look at why we have seasons. The tilt, if we notice, this is the United States right here, and I'm just going to keep it. Instead of rotating the earth, I'm just going to revolve it around the sun. And right now, because of the tilt of the earth, look, the sun is almost directly over North America. Okay, this is summertime. But now, let's move this over here and notice that the sun is now almost directly over Russia. So we are on the other side of the sun. This is our winter time. So if we look at this, it is all due to the tilt of the earth. So even when the earth is revolving, because of that tilt, we are always away from the sun in the wintertime. Okay, we're away from the sun. And during the summertime, because of this tilt, as we are rotating, you'll see that the United States is always towards the sun. Okay, so this is our summer, and this is our winter.